fast. This isn't weakness, it's your nervous system overloaded. When stress spikes, the survival brain takes over. Thinking shuts down. You can't talk yourself calm. This is the Feel Like Poop Kit. A complete, all-in-one calming kit. Instant cold relief, one of the fastest ways to calm the nervous system. Reduce visual overload instantly. Lower noise, create calm. Regulate through touch. Strong sensory input, designed to interrupt panic and spirals. After your body settles, guided journaling helps you process what comes next. Grounding reminders, support that stays with you. Guided support when you need it. Everything you need in one kit. This works because it meets your body where it is. Calm the body first, then the brain comes back online. Before, during, or after, at home, at school, at work. Makes a great gift, because you never know when someone will need it. When it's a lot, start here.